Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. Today is a special day, and I cannot wait to share the news with you guys. I have hit $1,000 a day in my online business, and so I want to celebrate with this video. And I owe this $1,000 day to Legendary Marketer, so I'm going to give them a short review and I'm going to show you a little bit of the inside, guys. It is an awesome affiliate program. You guys need to join it right now. I'm going to show you, okay? Let's get started right now. So here it is, guys. Here's my income proof. I'm going to refresh the screen so you can see. Oh, you didn't even see it didn't do anything. Oh, did you guys see that? Okay, this is me scrolling, okay? There's Dave Sharp. This is Legendary Marketer. This is the back end, the back office, guys, okay? So this is me. This is my commission. I'm definitely not one of the big affiliates in this program. Not yet, anyway. I just started promoting this early June. I bought it in May. Okay, I took a few weeks in May to learn this program, and I started promoting it in early June. And I actually have a video on my channel about my first sale that I'll link up in the video description below, okay guys? But I'm pretty happy today because I have never earned over $1,000 a day before, and having a high ticket affiliate program in your online business is definitely the way to go, and that will be the way to help you get to $1,000 a day very easily if you have that program in the back of your online business that you're promoting. So I don't sell this myself. This is not my product. I just recommend things, guys. I don't really sell anything. I just recommend things, and people are buying it. Things that I recommend. Affiliate marketing has changed my life. I love affiliate marketing. I can't say enough about affiliate marketing. It's one of the best business models ever. If you guys haven't been learning affiliate marketing yet, you guys really need to, okay? I want to show you the blueprints of the training here, okay, guys? The training here is very good. Legendary Marketer, what is it, okay? What is it? It's an online training platform for anybody who wants to learn how to make money online using affiliate marketing, using your own product, using your own coaching program, or even building masterminds if that's what you want to do. So there are 4 types of businesses that you can go into, and that is what these blueprints, these business blueprints are. And why the blueprints or the business blueprints are made this way is because most people who come online to start an online business, we usually start with affiliate marketing because it's the easiest to get into right away because you don't have to think of your own product, guys. This is huge, okay? And then once you've been an affiliate marketer for a while, you may want to do your own digital course to sell. And so that may be my next step down the road, guys. And then events and masterminds, I may be attending these later on and then making my own too, but this is far, this could be very far in my future. I have no idea. But coaching and consulting could be very near future for my business. So the way the business blueprints are created is for the online entrepreneur, basically, okay? So everybody kind of starts here and then they kind of grow into these other courses. And so that's the kind of path that I want to go on, and that's why I actually bought all these blueprints, guys. I know this sounds expensive, but they always have some kind of promotion, and you just gotta ask your business advisor that you're assigned to, guys, to see what promotions there are. And actually, these blueprints, seriously, guys, these are essentially free because they have a tuition reimbursement program that you can be involved with, guys, and that's what I'm working towards. I'm working towards getting my tuition back, okay? So this is an awesome program for beginners because you get to learn from them. And then if you really like these courses, then you could try to get into their affiliate program. because it is their affiliate program that has even more training that I really, really love. So if you become an affiliate, which I am, obviously, because I made the commission, but if you're an affiliate, okay, they have so much training for you guys, okay? This training in here as an affiliate is rock and roll, okay? It's rock and roll, and it's great for beginners. They really hold you by the hand. And then what else do they give you as an affiliate? Ooh, if you are a pro affiliate, you get extras like here, okay? You got 3. They really have tons of support for you guys. So in the affiliate, if you become affiliate, they have even more training for you. So initially though, guys, if you were to join this with me after this video, I'm going to have you start slow, okay? You're not going to jump into these blueprints fast, okay? Because you may want to think about these. These are a little bit more higher price, but again, check out the tuition reimbursement program. Ask them about it, what that's all about. It's gonna be awesome. When I found that out, it was a no-brainer, I'll tell you that much. But okay, so how do you sign up if you want to sign up? You're going to click the first link in the video description, okay? That first link in the video description is going to explain this a little bit more. But what is going to happen is that you're going to start with a small program, okay? You're going to start with a small program. It's only going to be $30 a month, guys, okay? It's only going to be $30 a month. You're going to start with that. Very small, okay? You're going to get the Marketers Club with the $30 per month. And then you also going to get the 15-day challenge, okay? This 15-day challenge is awesome, guys. It's more training where you're going to learn about high ticket sales. Oh, also don't forget, in that $30 per month, you also get a advisor on the phone, okay? This is really great for beginners because you may be lost when you first come in here and you may not know what's going on, but you get to contact an advisor on the phone so you could be held by the hand and just ask them about the products. Anything that you have, ask them, okay, guys? And they don't only push Legendary Marketer. This is for any, if you were to study affiliate marketing here, you are going to be learning affiliate marketing for any product. You're not going to be learning just to market Legendary Marketer. That's only if you go through the affiliate training. The affiliate training is for those who are going to promote Legendary Marketer. But these other training is really for any niche that you guys want to go into, guys. Any online business can be launched by the training right here. Okay, guys? So don't think that you're going to just be another Legendary Marketer affiliate. No, you have a choice. Okay, the choice is yours what you want to do. And as an affiliate, you don't need to buy all the products to make commissions off of them. It's not like that, okay? You're just going to be an affiliate. But you have to apply to be an affiliate, so they want to see you have some experience. So if you buy products from them, then obviously they would know you have experience because you are buying the courses to learn from. So if you have prior experience elsewhere and you could show them your experience, I'm sure you could get in. The affiliate program is really awesome, and you could earn from anything that's sold in here, okay? And what's great about that is that they have small ticket, recurring tickets, and high ticket sales, okay? And very high ticket sales. So you have a huge range, and that's what you really want in an affiliate program, a range of products to promote, because not everybody can afford the really expensive one, and not everybody needs the beginner courses, okay? Again, why the courses are low ticket, medium ticket, and high ticket is because it depends on your online career. As a beginner, you're going to go small, and then you're going to grow into the other programs if you wish to learn from these programs that are created by Dave Sharp. So that's really all up to you. So that's what this is all about. And I really love this. I've been promoting other products online since 2016 as an affiliate marketer. And this is by far one of the best programs that I have seen and I have been able to promote. So I'm pretty happy. And I just want to thank Dave Sharp for this program. And I hope you guys will also check it out. Remember, it's going to be the first link in the video description. I hope I can help you. I have a Facebook group if you want extra help from me. Just comment below if you want that, okay? Here's my $1,000 day again, guys, okay? You can do this too, alright? This is amazing, guys. This is only the beginning. I'm gonna keep updating my progress with on my channel, so just keep following, and I hope you guys will join soon, okay, guys? Hey, disclaimer, my results are not typical, and it does take time to build an online business, okay? It takes hard work. It takes patience. It is not fast money. It is money worth having if you are going to build it, be dedicated, and work hard at it, guys, okay? So thank you very much for coming to this video, and I'll see you on the next one, guys.